What is applied behavior analysis? ABA has been recommended as a comprehensive treatment plan for individuals with autism, and it's the only autism intervention that has scientific evidence to prove its effectiveness. I look at ABA as being outstanding teaching. That is breaking skills down into smaller parts, teaching those bits, and upon mastery, building upon them. ABA is a systematic approach that requires precision teaching. It often starts with some degree of structure and then gradually moves towards a more naturalistic teaching style when the student is ready. With ABA, we also look at the individual interests of the student. This is so that we can identify a motivational system that we can adapt to them so that we can create this desire for them to learn. With children on the autism spectrum disorder, we have to look at what each student's individual deficits are, whether it's issues with their attention, their language, their play, or their social skills. Once we've identified the complex skills that need to be learned, that's when we break it down, teach them until mastery, and then help the students apply those skills in the future. Since we individualize each and every student's program, that is why good ABA can be used with any learner. So come join us at our upcoming workshop in New Delhi on September 28th, where you can learn more about autism and the effective ways of teaching children on the autism spectrum disorder. See you there!